Hello, beautiful people. I'm Alisha Payne with the Woman Up Nation, here to elevate, educate, and empower women all across the world to walk in their purpose, to live in their passion, and to operate in their power. Spring is here, and there is this freshness in the air. Moods are boosting, flowers are blooming. It's a time for new beginnings. And it is a time that we get rid of people, places, and things that no longer fit into our new season in life. Spring is the time of birth and rebirth. For this first full month of spring, I challenge you. I challenge you to try something new. It could be a new restaurant, a new activity, a new friendship, or even a new adventure. You don't have to travel far. Just look around your own city. This is what I call a passion project. Yeah, a passion project. Find something that is going to put a spark in your heart and a smile on your face. I tried a new restaurant with a group of my sisters in Christ today, Bar Italia, where I hosted a fun fellowship for Easter that made us feel like kids again, while also reminding us of the sacrifice of Jesus Christ. Once you have tried that new thing, whether it's a new restaurant, a new activity, a new friendship, or even a new adventure, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget, I need you to subscribe, I need you to like, and I need you to share. Also, check out our links in the description below to purchase your Woman Up book or to even take the Woman Up Nation Challenge. So each week in April, I am going to share with you my passion project where I am experiencing something new. And I challenge you to do the same and woman up.